In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display zero decimal places for mark labels in Tableau. If you often find yourself needing to adjust the way numbers are presented in your visualizations for clarity or presentation purposes, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau application on your computer. Once you have it open, navigate to your desired worksheet. That's an important first step because all formatting changes will be applied directly to the specific worksheet you are working on. In this tutorial, we will explore two options to display zero decimal places for mark labels. Let's start with the first option. Begin by dragging category to the column shelf in your worksheet. This will help us organize the data visually by categories when building your view. Next, take profit and drag it to the row shelf. This action will create a series of bars representing the profit for each category. Once the data is appropriately set, drag the sales field to the label area under the marks field. This is crucial because it displays the sales values directly on your visualization. Now, click on Sum Sales and then click on Format from the context menu that appears. This is where we will adjust the appearance of our numbers. In the Format pane, click on the Numbers tab. This action will open up formatting options specifically for numeric fields. You'll notice a drop-down menu here. Click on it and select Number, Custom. By picking this, you gain finer control over how numbers are displayed. Set the decimal places to 0. This specific change will ensure that your sales figures are displayed as whole numbers with no decimals in your visualization. Now, let's move on to the second option. This method is slightly different and involves default properties. For this approach, click on Quantity and then select Default Properties from the context menu. Head over to the number format setting, choose Number, Custom, and once again, set decimal places to 0. Once these settings are in place, drag quantity onto the row shelf. This setup will visualize quantity data alongside your categories. From there, drag category to the column shelf, mirroring the previous option. Finally, drag quantity to the label under the marks field to display the newly formatted numbers. By following either of these workflows, you can tailor your Tableau worksheet to present data without any decimal places, providing a cleaner, more understandable view for your audience. Both options achieve the same end result, so feel free to choose the one that best fits your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps helpful for future Tableau projects.